Welcome back to Harry's Tech everyone, and today we have the Soundcore Life Dot 2 by Anker. Now these have 100 hours of playtime with the case and 8 hours with the earbuds, which is absolutely great. But anyway, we'll get on to some of the specs on the back. Now you can see, as I said, 8 hours of playtime and 100 with the charging case, high quality 8mm drivers, IPX5 water resistance, so you can go running in the rain with this and sweat no problem and they'll be fine, and charge them for 10 minutes to get 1.5 hours of listening time. They have Type-C USB charging, support single earbud audio, so you can take one earbud out and it will play audio through the other earbud, and flexible air wing ear tips for comfort and secure fit. Let's go ahead and unbox them though. I've had these already, they were a Christmas present, so I just reboxed them. But this is basically what you get. You get the instruction manual, which is pointless mostly, and the earbuds and the ear tips. And here you have the USB-C cable and the box itself. Now it's fairly chunky, it's hard to probably put in the pocket, but if you're going running and have something like a watch on one arm, you can easily carry these in the other hand and be perfectly fine. And now inside you have the earbuds. Now they come with removable tips and removable ear bits, so you can change them to large, medium, small and extra small, or medium and extra large, and then these are small, these are medium, and these are large. But overall they fit really well, and you can just magnetize them together if you want for convenience, and put them in a pocket. And so I will just put them in my ears and show you how well they fit. Right, so I have the earbuds, and sorry my hair's so long, it's been locked down and none of the barbers have been open, but they easily go in just there and just here, and they have an absolutely perfect fit. Now you can shake your head and they are not going to come out. They are perfect for sports and cycling, running, and even doing like really active sports. Now the sound is actually pretty good, and it's probably the best for the price. They have a very deep and good bass with fairly good mids, and their highs are not too strong, but they're there, and overall the sound is rock solid. So these are probably the best earbuds you can find at the price. Now these are £45, which is great, and I will leave a Amazon link in the description so you can check them out and buy them yourself. The call quality on these is great, although I have no way of showing you how good it is because I'm not too sure how to do that test, but you'll just have to take my word for it. But I hope you enjoyed this tech review. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you hopefully in future videos where I want to review maybe some fitness things for running and tracking your fitness. So I'll see you in the next one.